Hello, and welcome to my demo of Delight, Chrome browser extension that transforms your web browsing experience into an AI-powered productivity experience. Delight is a multi-agent AI assistant that lives in your browser and gives you access to 30 plus models from the world's best model providers, including Ollama. So you get to run your local models through Delight. And Delight also gives you the opportunity to automate your web tasks using English. Just type out what you want and the agent will execute them for you. With Delight, you also get to have writing tools to assist you in explaining, rewriting, summarizing, translating, or even changing the tone of what you've already written. With Delight, you can also bring in the web pages you are browsing on as context for Delight to work with. Also, everything works on your in your browser locally. Everything is stored locally. Nothing goes to any of the providers except the messages that you are working with. And with Delight, because of its nature, it's a bring your own model approach. So you have to provide Delight with your API keys. So to have an experience of Delight, I would open it over here. So this is how Delight opens up. It's a side panel in your browser. You get to expand it as much as you want. To begin, you have to select an AI provider. So here are the AI providers. You come to configuration, appearance, you come to AI providers, and you can see we have OpenAI. So each of the AI providers have the models that you can work with. You can see for Claude, this is Gemini. I currently have Gemini set, so I can switch in between the models I want. So let's say for now, I'm switching from Flash to Pro. I just test it, and then I get to see the check mark here. Of course, I can also switch between providers. So let's say I want to use Grok, I can switch to Grok, and maybe I want to use the Open AI's open models. Now I have Grok set up. So to begin having a feel of Delight, I can just ask it any question. Let's say, who are you for now? And Delight will respond for me. So, I mean, basically anything you would ordinarily do with your regular chatbots, right? So, I have a few examples. Let's say I want to change this. This is a very long paragraph. It's too technical for me. I want to understand. I can just say, all right, shorten this or improve this or explain this. So, for now, let me just say, make this shorten this. So I send this and Delight will respond with a shorter version of this. Let's say I have this here and I want Delight to expand it, so I can tell it to expand it. It will pick what I've sent to it and then give me more expanse on it. So you can see this is thorough. And of course, especially for emails, let's say this is a very casual email, but I want it to become a professional email. I can tell Delight to make this a professional one, so you can see that it has been converted. And for everything I'm doing, I can copy the text. If I don't like the response Delight brought back, I can retry it so that a newer one will come out. And a good thing is that if you are working in this kind of way, you can then have Delight in full screen mode so that you get to work better with Delight. If you want to start a new conversation, you can do it here. Let's say I want to create a stakeholder plan for an NGO meeting. I don't know which one, but just Delight. So then this gives you a more thorough and more focused way of working. So you can work with Delight. If you don't want to be working in this way, you can just switch back to the side panel mode, and you get to have Delight as you browse. And another feature also is that, for instance, I have this very technical, very long blog post about Delight itself. So I can just come anywhere on this page, right click, and say summarize with Delight. This opens up Delight and also attaches the web page as context. So when I submit this, Delight picks the content of this page and is able to summarize it for me. If I don't want to do this, if let's say I don't want to do this, I can also say chat about page. So chat about page, let's chat about this page. We can chat about this page. We can say, what are the top 5 concepts shared? And Delight will go through the page and give me the top 5 concepts. So how do I apply this in my workflow? So I can submit this as well. Now, Delight also comes with an agent that works for you. So for the agent, you just submit. For instance, I would say the agent, I can do something like make a random post on X. So once I submit this, it will create a plan and it will execute the plan. So this is Delight. If you want to take Delight for a spin, you can come to the Chrome Web Store and you search for Delight and you install it. Thank you.